Are you looking for a big tote bag for your work and with an affordable price? Then watch the review. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review about this big tote bag from the Michael Kors, and it is Sullivan Saffiano leather large big tote with top zip. The first thing I want to mention about that, I always feel comfortable with a top zip tote bag because I do have some experience. I mean, not exactly me, with my friend. So we were in Thailand and my friend was carrying a big tote with the open one where, the normal Louis Vuitton never full or something like this kind of tote. So she was carrying that one, and the place like Thailand, the pickpocket is very common over there. So yeah, so someone took her wallet from her tote bag. So I really had very bad experience. After that, I never ever think about wearing a bag which is like without any zipper. Though where I'm living here, the pickpocket is not very common, but yeah, still I feel secure with the top zip one. Anyway, so this is Michael Kors Saffiano leather tote bag, which you can see the leather Saffiano. Saffiano is a very durable leather, and I'm glad that I picked this one over the canvas one. I know there was a time when canvas was very on trend. I mean, I know that still people are liking the logo one or the canvas one. I do have one from Michael Kors, but yeah, I actually nowadays I really feel to carry something very plain and simple where the brands are doesn't speak on your face. So this tote is something like that, though the Michael Kors is not a very designer brand, but it's morely to the contemporary brand. But yeah, so this is a very simple one. It's coming with the two exterior pocket on the side, though I don't think it's very useful. Other than that, you can keep your what it called the maybe your parking ticket or parking car, something like that. So that is okay. I sometimes place my phone here. This if you open the zip of this tote, then there is a very big compartment, you can see. I actually bought this one because for the work purpose, so that I can carry my laptop. This you can fit a 15-inch laptop here. I am using the 13-inch MacBook Pro, which fits perfectly here. There is a slot for your laptop on this side. I carry my laptop and sometimes also my iPad together here on these slots, and it's also fine. And the best part is there is a security snap, so after placing your laptop you can just snap it so that your laptop is secure over there. And also the main compartment is very wide and very big. It also coming with a keyring holder. Though I usually use this for carrying my earpod, because sometimes AirPods are difficult to find. Also the keys, but yeah, I mostly use this for clipping my AirPods with this point. And also after this there is a zip also inside. Here there's a zip inside on the side of your laptop compartment, so you can keep your important things inside the zip pocket. And also beneath this zip pocket there are two compartments, small compartment like with the leather patch on the top. I usually carry my phone inside, one for my phone and another for my what it called the power bank. If I am carrying this bag for travel purpose, then I always carry power bank with me. Then it's good for me to put this in on place, and it's good that it's there are many compartments, so you can organize your things better way. Okay, on the other side, and you can see, I'm not sure you can see or not. Okay, so yes, there are also two compartments and one mini compartment, which is a pen compartment. I think I usually place my pen inside in this compartment, because when you're traveling, then a pen is a must. So I place my pen here, and this is one compartment. There is another compartment with the leather strap, and also beneath that there are another two compartment. So you can organize your things very properly with this tote bag, which is a good thing about that. And also so that you don't lose your you know, the small things. Sometimes I carry my small perfume, my makeup, like the lip gloss and all, I just keep here on the small compartments, and also my keys I keep inside. Yeah, so this is all about these Michael Kors Sullivan large tote, which I really like about. There is also a tassel over here with the Michael Kors logo, hardware logo. And there is a top handle. I would really love it if they have also, you know, the crossbody. If you carry your laptop here, it becomes a very heavy, and this is the main con for this bag. I mean, I know it's not the con for this bag. This actually the weight actually coming from my laptop. But yeah, if you need to carry it on your shoulder, and if you are you know, carrying your laptop, then this become very heavy. So it's your shoulder, it's hurts to death, trust me. So when during the travel, I usually carry my laptop here, but I keep always this bag on my what, the travel luggage. I'm not traveling and I need to go to work for, and I need to carry my laptop, I always carry this tote. And that time I only need to carry my laptop and my wallet inside, and maybe some other basic things like keys and my lip gloss and something like that. And it became very heavy, the shoulder, oh god, it's hurts a lot. But anyway, the zip on top of it is like you can close it. There is a leather patch. You will need to close your zip using this leather patch, and this is very smooth actually. The zip is very smooth. And also inside the lining is the polyester, also Michael Kors written on that polyester fabric. Right now it's retail about I think $460, but I bought it with the 70% discount. When Michael Kors, you know, Michael Kors actually runs sale for about 2 to 3 times a year. So I bought it during the sale time, and I bought it on 70% discount. So I bought it about $150. So I guess that's a very good catch. I don't want to buy anything from Michael Kors with the full price, because this is obvious, right? We should not buy anything full price from the Michael Kors when we know that there will be a sale at the end of the year. So why to buy something with the full price? I know that I did that once before, and I really regret it. I really regret it. Anyway, that's another story and with another video. So yeah, this is all about the Sullivan large tote with the top zip. And this tote actually coming in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. I guess the medium one is the most you know, the most selling item for this tote, but I afraid the medium one doesn't fit the laptop, so I go for the large one. I was looking for the website for this video, then I just see that only two colors available at this moment, the black and a pale pink one. So yeah, those colors were very nice also, and I'm glad that I took it on the brown color. I am a sucker for a brown color. Anyways, so yeah, that's a small review for Michael Kors Sullivan large tote. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And if you are looking for another bag reviews from Michael Kors, you make sure go to my all the other videos where I reviewed about Michael Kors small wallets, and I also reviewed about smartphone holder wallet. So I guess you will also enjoy those video. That's all for today's video. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.